Now start with Module 3 Introduction, the ecosystem structure and function of the ecosystem. The main objective for this session, the third module, ecosystem service, range from deriving the economic returns of the food and fiber, fresh waters, and also the natural beauty. After studying this session, you should be able to understand the importance of the ecosystem service range from the deriving economic returns, food and fiber for fresh waters. Introduction. The term ecosystem is defined as the system of the resulting from the integration of all the living and non-living factors of the environment. However, the term ecosystem is the most preferred where eco refers to the environment system influence for the interacting and interdependent of the complex of an organisms. The organisms of any community to interact among them always have the functional relationships. The structure and function of the system is the communities and the environmental, it's called as the ecological systems. And ecosystem, it's a simplest form, it's defined the self-sustained community of the plants and animals existing in its own environment, we call as the ecosystem. An ecosystem maybe as a small drop of pond water, also micro ecosystem, or is a large as an ocean. Kinds of ecosystem. The two types of kinds of ecosystem, one natural ecosystem, another one is the artificial ecosystem. I will discuss about natural ecosystem. These are operated under the natural condition without any major interfere by the man. The terrestrial, forest, grassland, desert, these are the examples of the natural resource. Natural ecosystem. Aquatic, freshwater, which may be lotic or lentic, it's on the running water, it comes under the natural ecosystem. The artificial ecosystem, it is a man or engineered ecosystem. These maintain artificially by whereby addition of energy and planned by the manipulation. Structure of ecosystem. The species component, stratification, trophic organization, relations of food between the various layers, nutrients is required for the living organisms. Biotic, it is only in the mainly living components. This is comprises of all living organisms the nourishment. The autotrophs. Autotrophic means it is an autotroph, which is self-nourishing. These are the green plants. Mainly autotrophs are the green plants. It's certain photosynthetic or chemosynthetic bacteria is a major role in the autotrophs, which can convert the light energy into the sun into the potential chemical energy. These green plants are also known as the producer because they are produce food for all other organisms. The heterotrophic means other nourishing. They are dependent on directly or indirectly upon the autotrophs for their food. These organisms inward is also known as the consumers. And the macro consumers, it's are phagotrophs. Phago means to eat. These are the organisms which ingest the food and digest it inside their bodies. They are maybe herbivores. Herbivores is the plant eating. The carnivores is the animal eating. Omnivores is the eating all kind of food, both animals and plant. The herbivores are primary consumers. Micro consumers are the saprotrophs. Sapro to decompose or astrophs means the pass through the membrane. These are the next is the abiotic component. The abiotic components climate, regime, precipitation, temperature, light and other physical factor. The inorganic substance like elements such as carbon, nitrogen, hydroxide and sulfides involves in the material cycle. Organic compounds, carbohydrates, protein, lipids and humic substances. Functions of ecosystem. The functions of the ecosystem is allow the follow the energy and cycling of the material, mainly food chains, food pyramids, energy flow, and nutrient cycles, the development and evolution of the ecosystem, and homeostasis of the stability of an ecosystem. Thank you.